What? I don't have any idea where the memory card is.
Did you take it out of your other phone?